Today, we're diving deep into the revolutionary Nothing Phone 3, a device that's completely transformed Nothing's position in the smartphone market. After years of mid-range offerings, Nothing has finally entered the flagship arena with a device that's as bold as it is beautiful. The Phone 3 isn't just about premium specs, it's about reimagining what a smartphone can be with its groundbreaking Glyph Matryx technology and distinctive design philosophy. And this is not a sponsored review, so I'll be sharing my honest experience from its unique transparent design and brilliant display to its capable camera system, flagship performance, and impressive battery life. So, stick around and let's see if the Nothing Phone 3 justifies its flagship price tag and bold ambitions. But before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech reviews and updates. Starting with the design, the Nothing Phone 3 is immediately recognizable as something truly special in the smartphone landscape. At 9mm thick and weighing 218 grams, this phone has a substantial, premium feel that befits its flagship positioning. The signature transparent back panel remains the centerpiece, but Nothing has elevated it with the new Glyph Matryx system, a small dot matrix display that adds an entirely new dimension of functionality and personality. The aluminum frame feels incredibly solid and well constructed, while the transparent back continues to showcase Nothing's unique design language that sets it apart from every other phone on the market. The build quality is exceptional, with Corning Gorilla Glass 7 in protection, adding durability to both front and back surfaces. What's particularly impressive is how Nothing has managed to maintain that distinctive aesthetic while incorporating flagship-level build materials and engineering. The Glyph Matryx system transcends novelty to become a genuinely functional secondary interface that displays notifications, charging status, and serves as an innovative camera flash. Beyond visual feedback, it features interactive capacitive controls that respond to single taps and long presses for navigation and selection. You can even enjoy simple games directly on the Matryx display, and it cleverly doubles as a mirror for rear camera selfies, allowing you to capture higher quality self-portraits using the superior back cameras. The overall design philosophy demonstrates Nothing's unwavering commitment to their distinctive vision, delivering a device that commands attention from across any room while preserving the refined minimalism that defines the brand's aesthetic identity. The display on the Nothing Phone 3 is where flagship expectations are fully met and exceeded. You're getting a gorgeous 6.67-inch LTPO OLED panel with a buttery-smooth 120Hz adaptive refresh rate that intelligently adjusts based on content to preserve battery life. The standout feature here is the impressive 4,500 nits peak brightness levels that ensure excellent visibility even in the brightest outdoor conditions. The 1260 by 2800 pixel resolution delivers crisp, vibrant visuals with the deep blacks and rich colors that OLED technology is renowned for. Whether you're streaming HDR content, gaming, or just scrolling through social media, the nearly bezel-less design creates an immersive viewing experience that truly feels premium. The display supports HDR10+ for enhanced media consumption, and the color accuracy is excellent out of the box. Under the hood, the Nothing Phone 3 runs on the Snapdragon 8's Gen 4 chipset, a powerful sub-flagship processor that strikes an excellent balance between performance and efficiency. Nothing offers this with configurations of 12GB RAM paired with 256GB storage or 16GB RAM with 512GB storage, giving you plenty of headroom for demanding applications and multitasking. Running Nothing OS 3.5 based on Android 15 right out of the box, the software experience feels refined, clean, and thoughtfully optimized. The interface maintains Nothing's minimalist design philosophy, while adding unique features that take advantage of the Glyph Matryx system. For intensive tasks like gaming, content creation, and heavy multitasking, the Phone 3 handles everything with flagship-level performance. The overall user experience remains consistently smooth and responsive. The Snapdragon 8's Gen 4 may not be the absolute top-tier flagship chip, but it delivers more than enough performance for any real-world usage scenario while maintaining better efficiency than the flagship alternatives. The camera configuration on the Nothing Phone 3 marks a substantial evolution from earlier models, showcasing a premium triple-camera array engineered to rival flagship competitors. The 50-megapixel main sensor captures exceptionally detailed and vibrant imagery and accurate color reproduction that brings photos to life. The equally capable 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens expands creative possibilities for sweeping landscapes and dramatic perspectives, while the standout 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens delivers genuine 3x optical zoom for stunning portrait photography with remarkable detail retention, extending to an impressive 60x digital zoom for distant subjects. For selfies, the high-resolution 50-megapixel front-facing camera produces exceptionally sharp and detailed results that excel in both social media content and professional video calls. The videography capabilities are equally comprehensive, with all cameras supporting 4K recording across multiple frame rates. Video output demonstrates excellent stabilization technology, producing smooth footage with outstanding color accuracy and fine detail preservation. Now, battery performance is definitely a strength of the Nothing Phone 3. The substantial 5,150 mAh battery easily powers through a full day of intensive flagship usage, and even power users should find it reliable enough to last from morning to night without anxiety about finding a charger. The combination of the efficient Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor and LTPO display technology helps maximize battery life. When it comes time to recharge, the included 65-watt fast charging technology is impressively quick for flagship standards. You can expect to reach 50% charge in just 20 minutes with a compatible 65-watt charger, and up to 100% in under an hour. The device also supports 15 watts wireless charging and 7.5 watts reverse wireless charging, rounding out the complete flagship charging experience. The charging speeds are competitive with other flagship devices, and the large battery capacity ensures you're not constantly worried about battery life during demanding usage scenarios. Now, here's my final verdict on the Nothing Phone 3. This device represents Nothing's successful evolution into the flagship market while maintaining everything that made the brand unique and compelling. Starting at 2,999 dirhams here in Dubai for the 16GB 512GB version, it positions itself competitively against established flagship alternatives while offering something genuinely different. The combination of flagship performance, the innovative Glyph Matryx system, premium build quality, excellent display, capable cameras, and strong battery life creates a compelling package that stands out in the crowded flagship market. For users who want flagship performance but are tired of the same design language from traditional manufacturers, the Nothing Phone 3 offers a refreshing alternative that doesn't compromise on core functionality. That wraps up today's review of the Nothing Phone 3. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Are you ready for a flagship that breaks the mold? If this review was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out!